Today we are going to solve an equation. Maybe it is having a single variable or two variables or three variables. First we'll see x plus y is equal to 10. This is a single equation with two variables. X is a variable, y is a variable. Okay? And 10 is a constant. To solve this equation, either we have to know the value of x or y, because there is two variables and only one equation. So if we know the value of x or y, we can find out the other value of the other variable. So for example, let x is equal to 1. Okay, so we know the value of this x, then we can find out the value of y. X, we are substituting 1 plus y is equal to 10. So in the next equation, y is equal to 10 and this 1 comes this side, we have minus 1, that is 9. So y is equal to 9. So we have found out. Otherwise, if we know the value of y, imagine that y is equal to 5. Okay, now substitute in this first equation. So x plus, instead of y, we are substituting 5 is equal to 10. Okay, so x is equal to 10 and this 5 comes this side, it is minus 5. So you have 5. So x is equal to 5. So when y is known, we can find out x, or x is known, you can find out y. But imagine another equation. X plus 2y plus 10z is equal to, say, 10. Over here there are three variables. This is a variable, this is also a variable, and this is also a variable. This is the first variable, this is the second variable, and this is the third variable, x, y, z. Whereas this is a constant, this is also a constant, and this is also a constant. So to solve this equation, either you have to know the value of any two variables, either x and y, or x and z, or y and z. If you know the value of two variables, then you can find out the other one. See, for example, let x is equal to 1. And if we know only one variable, we cannot solve the equation. So 1 plus 2 into y plus 10z is equal to 10. So we have 2y plus 10z is equal to 10. This one comes this side, we have minus 1. So that's equal to 9. So 2y plus 10z is equal to 9. So you cannot solve it. So either you have to know the value of either y or z. Let z is equal to 1. Okay. So you have 2y plus 10 into 1 is equal to 9. So you have 2y is equal to 9 minus 10 is equal to minus 1. So y is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay. So if you know x and z, you can find out y. Similarly, if you know x and y, you can find out z. Or if you know y and z, you can find out x. See, let x equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 1 by 2. Imagine we know these two. We can find out z. So substitute this in the first equation. Wherever x, you have 1 plus 2 into minus 1 by 2. Okay. So this is minus plus 10 into z is equal to 10. Okay. So this 2 cancels. It becomes 1 minus 1 plus 10 z is equal to 10. So this will cancel. We have 10 z is equal to 10 and z is equal to 10 by 10, that is equal to 1. This is the answer. So if you know x and y, you can find out z. X and y is known, you can find out z. Okay, or x and z is known, you can find out y. So if there is three variables, you have to find out the have to have the value of two variables, then you can find out the value of the other variable.